This house has everything except time, and it could vanish before your eyes. The neighborhood of Gary Station is relatively new, but it's growing fast. There's new development just around the block, and there's a brand new elementary school that's set to open later this year. But it's also one of those communities that your kids can still play street hockey or ride their bikes around the community, or even walk to school. Now, I know I said this home has it all, and I wasn't over-exaggerating. This home has over 2,200 square feet of total developed living space, and as you can see, this home is absolutely immaculate. And this main floor is flooded with natural light from those big open windows. This kitchen is a chef's dream. Not only do you have a ton of counter space, but these are also quartz countertops, and you do have a really unique tiled backsplash. And over here is a brand new induction cooktop. But I did say this was a chef's kitchen. So if you prefer the precision of gas, there is a gas line in behind that you could easily change out. As well, you have a very large pantry over on this side behind me. Continuing through to the dining room area that's surrounded by windows, this is gonna lead you right out to the backyard, where you have a deck and a fully landscaped backyard with underground sprinklers and drip lines running to those flower beds back there. And as soon as we get some nicer weather, that backyard is gonna look fantastic with very little maintenance. Stepping into the living room, we have an open yet cozy area featuring this gas fireplace. And again, these large windows filling the space with natural light and creating a beautiful ambiance. Now, before we head upstairs, I did need to mention that there is main floor laundry on this level, complete with custom cabinetry. Up on the second level, we have two really good sized bedrooms, as well as a 4-piece bathroom for the kids to share. But stepping into the primary retreat, we have an absolutely massive room here, big enough for a king size bed. There is also a closet with custom cabinetry, and the ensuite features dual vanities, a soaker tub, and a walk-in shower. Now, this basement is fully developed, and this area right here would make for a perfect movie room, but it's also spacious enough that you could use it for a home gym or a yoga studio. Now, don't forget that this basement also has its own temperature control, so you can keep this floor nice and toasty in the winter. And there is another good sized bedroom down here, as well as another 4-piece bathroom with heated tile floors. Now look, I know there's a lot going on right now in Canadian politics, and you're not watching this video to get my political views, but between you and me, this home has my vote. Now, forget about all that drama. If you guys want to see this home in person, be sure to call, text, or email me. My name's Kurtis Hawkins with the Real Estate One team at Real Broker. And if you guys like this video and never want to miss another one, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And speaking of other videos, there's a whole playlist right here.